guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing so well. I was not. But before we jump into talking and what this video is all about, I probably do because you read the title. I always like to say, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also, don't forget to like this video as well as hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload video. And also follow me on my other social media accounts, which are Facebook and Instagram at The Soto Beauty Subscription. Okay, so I got my package here. This is the Juvia'S mystery, it's the Love Mystery box, and it's finally here. So during the week, last week, they said my box was delivered here at the house. It wasn't. I've been waiting for this box because somehow they put a wrong packing sticker on here, shipping it to somewhere else where it shouldn't have been shipped to. So finally, it was coming in last week, and I was like, yes, it's coming in. I have enough time. I can film this, and it'll be up for Valentine's Day. And instead, you got an Ipsy Plus video that, you know, Annabella did with me, which was her Ipsy bagging. And so during the week it said it was delivered, but it wasn't delivered here. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna give my mail person the benefit of the doubt because it has been snowing here in Chicago. As I'm filming this, it is President's Day. I have no work, my kids have no school, so it is filming out here. Oh my god. So it is snowing out here. It is 1:07 in the afternoon. It is snowing and it hasn't stopped. It's been snowing all day so far. So Saturday the package got delivered, so it finally got here, and I was like, yes, it's here, but I couldn't film. Reason why was Friday I had gone and got my vaccine shot for COVID, and because I'm in the 1B group because I work in education. So before I got my shot, the nurse had told me, you know, like, this could happen if you had COVID, which I did. I had it over the summer, and she told me that these things can happen. I can get the symptoms versus someone who hasn't had COVID. And I was like, okay. So Friday, since I got my shot, my arm was hurting so bad. Like, I mean hurting. I felt like I was working this arm, only this arm out. That's what I felt like. It was just only working. It still hurts a little bit, not as much. It's bearable. The pain is bearable. But then at Saturday 4 in the morning, I woke up with a fever. I was like, I had everything. I had the chills. I had a major migraine. It like intensified. I had sinus infections. Luckily no nausea, diarrhea or anything like that. Whew, thank goodness. But I couldn't get out of bed for the life of me. I was so sick. And then finally, when I felt like my fever like went away, it was by the afternoon, I was like, yeah, I feel a little better, whatever. Then it hit me again, and so I was done for it. So Sunday as well, I had the strength because I was up like at 5 in the morning. I was like, okay, let me get some things done or whatever. I edited the video of Annabella bagging her Ipsy Glam bag. And if you haven't seen that, go check it out. Show her some love. So I did that for her, and then I just wasn't feeling good. Like, I had no strength. I was tired, you know, exhausted and stuff like that. So Saturday, Sunday was a bust, especially for like Valentine's and stuff like that. It was a bust for me. It was supposed to be a 3-day weekend. I stood 2 days in bed basically, all day. So today I felt a little better. Still had a migraine, sinus infection, but I did take my medication. I feel a lot better right now. But we'll see how it goes. Anywho, let's go back into what really is this video, but I'm just letting you know what happened. So it was my first dose of my vaccine. I'm kind of scared for my second dose. So, but I'm doing good. I'm doing good. All right, let's go into this box. This is the Love Mystery box from Juvia'S Place. It says, you will love the surprise of this mystery box. What would you get? it includes 4 mystery items, so they don't tell you what you're gonna get, like even if it's an eyeshadow palette or whatever. It is till this day, President's Day, it is available for $15. That's how much I got it. And then let's open this. An update, I think I said it in one of my videos, because I wore the Juvia'S palette, Nubia palette. I think it was in my BoxyCharm base box. I did, what was I gonna talk about? Oh, Juvia'S Place. Oh my god, I'm telling you, I'm all over the place. I'm just getting better, okay? I'm getting better. So Juvia'S Place was able to send me 2 palettes because for my other mystery box, I was missing one more item because they were supposed to give me 3 items, which they only gave me the Melissa collection, and it only came with 1 eyeshadow palette and a lip gloss, whereas everybody else was getting this really big palette with 2 lip products. So I contacted Juvia'S responded back and they were so sorry. They looked into it and everything, and they were so kind and sent me 2 of the same palettes, and this is what they sent me, which I already have this palette. So Annabella says she's keeping hers, but this one I am going to probably put it in a giveaway or give it as a gift or something like that. But that was like, I'm glad that they just fixed the issue, like the problem and stuff like that. So if you run into anything like that, Juvia'S Place is really good of like great customer service. They got back to me and everything. I did have to go through Instagram though to get their customer service because I couldn't find it anywhere on their website. Let's get into this mystery box. Okay, so here it is. Ooh. Wait, like really wrap this. Okay. See some goodies in here. Okay. Oh, we got a JP highlighter brush in 01. I will definitely put the price down here below of how much this brush is. Really pretty and it feels nice. I don't have any of Juvia'S Place you know, eyeshadow brushes or anything like this. This is a highlight brush though, and it looks really nice. Look at that. It does say it right there, and then it says Juvia'S Place. Really pretty. I love that. Wow. Okay, that feels nice. Okay, another product that I got here is a Luxe liner in Scorpio. Ooh, okay, let's see this. Like I said before, I don't really own a lot from Juvia'S Place. I just own about 1, 2, 3 eyeshadow palettes from them. That's it. This is what it looks like. It says Juvia'S there, and then right there it says Scorpio Luxe Liner. Okay. Let's see what that looks like. Ooh. It's like a plum deep, or even like a mauve. That is really gorgeous. I like that, and it did go on very nice. Here is one swipe. Wow. Okay, I don't have any other liners too, so I'm excited to try that out. Okay, another product, mystery product here is this one. This is the lip gloss in Disco Fever, right? Yeah, Disco Fever. Oh my goodness, guys, I love this presentation. Look at this box. Isn't this gorgeous? Juvia'S Place has a really beautiful unicards. The presentation is amazing. Look at that. Do you guys see that? Oh wow. The only thing it's okay, there you go. It came out really easy after that. Okay, there you go. That is wow. Okay, so really here is the lip gloss. Yeah, it smells really nice. Oh wow, you can see like the little glitter effects. That is really pretty. I can't wait to try that out. That's amazing. Love that. Nice. And of course I will put the price of how much that is. Okay, now to the fourth product, and it is an eyeshadow palette. Oh my goodness, it's the Queen palette. Fima, right? X Juvia'S. That is gorgeous. Oh my goodness. It says a collaboration effect with lifestyle blogger and model Fima de la Suvo. And an accent. Oh, I cannot say this. Take on a queen of heart game card game mixed with Fuma's love of color. Palettes feature 6 high pigmented that are multifunctional. So this was a collaboration. Beautiful. Love this. Let's see. Pretty. I don't know why I just tossed the Unicart. Okay, I love this. It's really bubbled wrap. That's what palettes should come in, bubbled wrap, so nothing gets damaged. Here it is. Super gorge, just what like the Unicart looks like. Guys, does come with the plastic protective sheet. Oh my goodness, look how gorgeous this is. It doesn't come with a mirror. I love this. It says Q Queen, and look at those shades. Oh, these pants are big. I know with their bigger eyeshadow palettes, they have like big pants like this, and they can last you a long time. That is so gorgeous. It says Andre Oli Glam FDV approved, sister to sister, and 7. That is gorgeous. I'm excited. Okay, let's do some swatches. We'll do all the shades. That feels nice. So those are the 3 right there. Let me see if I have any room. We'll start right there. And we always say swatches are very different than what they might look on the eyes. That purple, it did not do justice. So let's go again. There we go. That is really pretty. I don't know what happened to my rag, so I gotta wipe it on my pants. All right, let's go into these other shades here. We have FD approved, sister to sister, and 7. There we go. Oh wow. Oh my goodness, guys. Oh, I did it again. Look at that. That is so gorgeous, pigmented and everything. So I cannot wait to play with this. And yeah, I love this. This is really gorgeous. Oh my goodness, so happy with this. So I gotta say, this was a good mystery box for these items here. For $15, it's amazing. This palette right alone, perfect. The brush too, the brush is beautiful, and the lip gloss, everything was gorgeous for this mystery box, and I'm so excited that I picked it up. Like I said, it's still available if you do like it, and maybe you're gonna get the same items. I don't know if everybody got the same thing. Hopefully they did, and not like me where they just sent me something else because maybe they did run out and they forgot to take that off their site or whatever. But that is amazing. I did love that box. Let me know, what did you think? Was this one a good one from Juvia'S, this mystery box? Like I said, it was only $15, and I will put the grand total of how much this box was worth. But yeah, gorgeous. Can't wait. Oh, dying. Alright guys, dying. That is it. That's everything that I have for you in this video. If you enjoyed this, please give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate that. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. As well, follow me on Facebook and Instagram at DeSoto Beauty Subscription. Alright guys, thank you so much. Please be safe out there. Stay healthy. I'm trying. And always lots of love. Bye.